Combining all of those skills together, the art and the science, the thinking and the doing, was what resulted in the exceptional result.
What's going on, my fellow traders? Today I'm going to go over another order flow trade that I took on April 3rd, 2018, and this is a short trade that you're going to see where I work a 2-lot in and then I scale in and out of a 1-lot, always trying to improve my theoretical average that you guys are going to see up here. And looking for, really on this day, I was really looking for some sellers to step in aggressively and start flushing this market lower, targeting overnight, the overnight VPOC and potentially below that. And just a quick premise of the trade, you can see here to the left that in this chart, this is basically just a time chart, and the circles are large, the blue are large buy, the red are large sell orders, and this is Jigsaw's platform. Since I'm explaining this, I might as well explain the platform. This is the obviously the ladder, shows the trades, bids and offers. This is a tape, so these are all the trades that go off from a 1-lot all the way up to hundreds of lots. And then this is a reconstructed tape down here where it will only show me 500 lot trades or larger. And Jigsaw has this software where it can reconstruct some of the trades because a lot of the time you can break up your trades in 1-lots, but they'll still have the same tag ID on them, so I can reconstruct it. Anyhow, so the market was balancing. We had flushed lower early, popped right back up, started swinging back and forth, but as you can see that we were failing to hold the open. We created this low volume node here and started really really auctioning towards the lower quartile of the day, and we also have the most contract traded towards the low of day. So I'm really looking for sellers to start pressing this. I noticed early on there was some size hitting the bid here and a nice seller reloading in the 92s. So I hit one, entered my first unit with one, and then wanted to see how this traded up. Are they going to let this flow back up to 93s, 94s? If this goes back to 94s, I'll be out. There's no way I'm going to hold that. But if we get to 92s, 93s and a quarter, and then instantly come back down, then I know that this is the right trade, and I'm going to start pressing on the short, as you'll see. So there you go. See how quickly that the bids just let out some size hitting the bid. Now we got to remember, where are we on the profile? We're on the value area low, so we expect some buying to kick in here. But look at the size going off. 500 reloading, 500 taken already. Boom, he pulled it, and only 600 traded through it. So size hitting the bid is confirming that, okay, I may, the shorts are the side of the flow. So I believe I'm on the correct side here. And now I'm just managing and observing how the bids and offers are interacting with each other. Is there a seller that's going to just start clearing the bids, or is a buyer going to try and push this market back up? So just pay attention, guys. Pay attention to what's hitting into the bid, and then how are we lifting up? When we lift up quickly, are we lifting up on 3, 4, 5, 600, or are we lifting up on hundreds, 200, and then coming back down at 500, 300? Do you guys see how the size is hitting this? There's some size right there at both ends, but the seller's winning. So just pay attention, okay? Watch both sides here. Notice how they lift, but now no real size. 17, 195, 82. Remember, guys, if buyers thought this was really cheap, oh, there you go, there's my second lot that I entered in there. But my point was, if buyers thought this was really cheap, they would not be hanging around here. They would gobble it all up and the market would start auctioning higher, looking for sellers. So you see me hit it into 91s. And now look how they're flickering this back up. And you see my cursor move back onto the bid side just in case this thing starts lifting up. But there was no real size trading into the offer. And then look. 62 by 192, 66 by 1. Do you guys notice that? Do you see how there's not that much size coming off on the offer? They're not really lifting it right there. But look, seller reloaded, slam, slam, slam. So do you see that speed, how quickly the bids start dropping out? Boom. Got out my first unit. Theoretical average jumped to 94. Remember, we started these trades in the 92s. 92s and 91s. Do you guys see the speed of the tape? Look how fast it starts just slamming through the bids. This is confirmation we are on the correct side of the flow. The flow is definitely to the sell side. So now I'm trying to assess, okay, where could this market rotate back up and for me to be able to get one in. Right now it's moving quickly and there's size on both sides triggering, so I don't see it. I don't see a good spot. You guys see some size right here? See how that guy was reloading? Look, 600, 700 reloading. They're trading into it, but he's absorbing. That's absorbing and instantly lift up. So right here we have buyers. Pay attention to this bid side and in the offer. Look, 1200 reloading. Those are some titans right there battling it out. Sellers pressing them through. Boom. Quickly sweep up the offers. So right here there's size. $600 lift, bidding down, lift. No, we went from 600 to thousands to 52s lifting the offer. That's not threatening. I'm expecting a little bit of a flicker up, and then you'll start seeing me getting interested in trying to re-add. So we're having basically what we're doing is we're consolidating right now. We're building some more energy. We got buyers and sellers who are balloting now. You could tell that we're starting to build some volume in this area. So I'm just looking for any type of spike up, quick flicker up with no real size lifting the offer to give me an idea, okay, I can get back in. Notice we're just building volume up here. Two-way trade. Starting to lift a little bit. There we go. All right, so that's what I'm looking for. And then you see how my cursor just starts moving to the sell side. All right, so we've got that flicker up. Now, are buyers really going to start driving this up and squeezing late shorts, or is that just a fake out? All right, 200 and 172. Trying to lift the offer, but instantly coming back down. No real size going off in the bid, but the bids are just falling out. Do we make another attempt at 89 and halves? 89s would be a really good area to get in. It'd be 2 ticks from the last swing. go. So I'm looking, 89 halves, holding, boom, hit 89s. Now look at that. It starts trading, and I don't get filled. And I know below, and I'm thinking below 87 and a quarter, this market's going to flush. I need to get in somewhere. Trying to be patient, hoping for a second backdoor fill, just a quick flicker up, nothing. So boom, you'll see me lift 87 and a quarters. I mean, I hit the bid, not lift. I'm sorry. I hit the bid, and then here's this. Pay attention how this tape speeds up right here. Once we pass this ledge of volume, pay attention. Just watch what goes off on the bid. Trying to lift, nothing going up, boom, boom. Look how quickly that starts falling down. Do you guys see that? Instantly try to lift, but with nothing. Right back down. You can't hold above 87s. This high volume area. You want buyers that hold 87s, and there it goes. Starts flushing right back down. See the speed, how it speeds up? Those buyers giving up. Just slamming right into the bid. So this right here, these are short positions, just taking some profits, some buying, but there's nothing really going on here. There's nothing that tells me you need to start covering this trade yet. You should get filled. There we go. Got my first exit. You see my theoretical jumped up to 96 and a quarter. See some size really going off here, but they absorbed it and they lifted up. So that right there got my attention. They really hit into that bid, but they just took it, said thank you very much, and started lifting this market back up. So my finger instantly goes to the flat button, just in the event they start really lifting this. One more shot up my trade. These buyers aren't giving in, and momentarily you'll see me just lift up real quick. Try to get 84 and a halves, nothing. 84 halves is low of day. I'm trying to see if I can get that exit. I'm not going to give this trade any room to push up, and then there you go, out. Give it 3 ticks and I'm out. So we accomplished 44 ticks on that trade. So what is that? That's 11 points in 9 minutes of trading. So not bad, 550 bucks. I hope you guys learned something from that quick little trade right there. Hopefully I did a decent job of showing you the ebb and flow of buyers and sellers, and how sellers were dominant in that exchange, and just pointing out a few things that could hopefully help you guys out in your trading and your order flow analysis. So again, it was my pleasure. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please feel free to leave some comments, and to let me know what you like, let me know what you didn't like, or where I could improve on this trade. Anyhow, again, thank you guys. I appreciate your time for watching this. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I got a ton of the content that's going to be coming out, and I'd really appreciate it if we can all learn together and make some money in this market. Take care.
Combining all of those skills together, the art and the science, the thinking and the doing, was what resulted in the exceptional result.